Okay, so I thought I'd just make this short video kind of previewing the Awesome Autos assignment. Also, Tinley's right here, so if you hear lots of noise in the background, I apologize. So kind of the overall theme of this is that you and a partner just opened up a car dealership called Awesome Autos, where you only buy and sell the best cars around. Both of you haven't been keeping track of expenses for the dealership. But wait, you're running low on cash and can't pay your bills, so it's time to start keeping track of your account balances. So get your accounting hats on. All you have is $265,000 in cash, $375,000 in inventory, and you owe $189,000 in accounts payable and $50,000 in loans payable. So you're just going to start out here by filling in your assets and liabilities, and you'll do that after every transaction. You'll also just use the internet to find cars that match the descriptions, and then add any information that I am needing. So for this first one, we're just looking up at the scenario. So like your cash, you should be able to just go in there and type in. I will have to get that changed. You will go and type in 265,000, your inventory 375,000, and so on. So I'll just kind of go over just this first one for the vehicle. So you're going to be looking for an Infiniti G35 for the dealership. It needs to be black in color, 2006 or newer for the year, with 100,000 miles or less. You're going to pay cash. So find one that you think would be good. So then you'll tell me the price that you paid for it, and then those additional details. What year is it? What is the mileage on it? And the location. So where are you going to have to go to get it? So let's just say that we spend $30,000 on it. So then now that means my cash would be $235,000. My inventory would be the 375,000 plus 30,000. So yes. Joys of a 2-year-old. So 375,000 plus 30,000 would be 405,000 for inventory, and then your other two numbers would stay the same, and you'll just keep doing that. Now, as you see here, you have I think at least 10 different vehicles or so, or some different activities that you have to do. So keep in mind, you can't be in the negative. So as you progress through this, you might have to go back and find maybe a cheaper vehicle from one of the scenarios. So hopefully that makes sense, and you'll have about a week to complete this assignment.